हेलो फ्रेंड, वेलकम टू हाई स्टेक यूट्यूब चैनल। आज के पार्ट 6 में मैं आपको मेंटल मैथ, कॉमन कोर मैथ, सॉल्व मैथ प्रॉब्लम्स फास्टर एंड हाउ टू टीच मल्टीप्लिकेशन के बारे में बताऊंगा। उससे पहले आप हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें, वीडियो को लाइक करें, चलते अपनी वीडियो की तरफ। इस मेंटल मैथ रियली आर टीचिंग स्ट्रेटजी ऑफ कोर्स। Mental math is an important part of math fluency. When students have a quick recall for math facts and can do simple equations quickly, they have the confidence to attempt more difficult problems. The Mantua Association of Mathematics Teachers defines mental math as a combination of cognitive strategies that enhance flexible thinking and number sense. It is calculating mentally without the use of external memory aids. It improves computational fluency by developing efficiency, accuracy, and flexibility. There are lots of resources available to boost mental math skill, including mnemonic devices, world problems, fact fluency games. For more ways to practice mental math skill, read 12 practices to improve students' mental math plus downloadable list. Common Core Math. Common Core Math is a new framework that seeks to improve students' conceptual understanding of math by encouraging problem solving, critical thinking, and decision skills. Since it's so new, instructors have struggled to prepare material that align with the standards. If that's you, here are some techniques to get you started. Use modular tools. Younger students can model their problems using number blocks, and older students can use everyday objects to act out the concept they are learning. Encourage peer discussion. Common Core standards place a large focus on critical thinking and problem solving, two things that the students can learn by taking thought problems with their peers. Math generals. Writing out the steps they talk to solve a problem helps students to understand where are got stuck. Plus, it's a great tool for teachers looking to keep track of student comprehension. For a detailed explanation of 8 standards and ways to teach them, read 8 Common Core Math Standard explained plus examples. Solve math problems faster. Teaching students to solve math problems quickly and without can help improve confidence and math fluency. Provided your students have a solid grasp on the concepts behind what they already mastered, math tricks can give them more confidence and get them excited about trying new problems. There are tricks for just about every basis function, including two-step addition and subtraction, multiplying by powers of 2, squaring a two-digit number that ends with 1. For a full list of math tricks, read How to Solve Math Problems Faster, 15 Techniques to Solve Students. How to teach multiplication. Multiplication is a big and often daunting step for learners who feel like they just mastered addition and are suddenly being thrown something new. Teachers also often struggle to communicate new concept to students effectively. What if we told you the multiplication would be one of the most rewarding lessons you ever thought? Our 6-step guide to teaching multiplication is designed to engage students in the learning process with a clear and or logical progression. of ideas. There are a lot of fun ways to teach multiplication and reduce the students' anxiety, including classroom maths games, fun math books, math websites. Multiplication don't have to be stressful. Start with basic concept and work your way up, and your website students will be मल्टीप्लिकेशन मास्टर्स इन नो टाइम एट ऑल। तो दोस्तों आज की वीडियो के लिए सिर्फ इतना ही, मैं मिलता हूँ आपसे अगली वीडियो के अंदर, तब तक के लिए बाय।